Hey, today is July the 8th of 2011 in wonderful North Point, Maryland, where the Battle of North Point happened and so forth. But anyway, this is a chimney, and this basement's getting underpinned, and gonna go ahead and add several feet of height to the ceiling. So you can start to see how these columns are, I think, 8 feet and some change in length. There's finished floor plus 3.5 feet or so. Anyway, so here we are. We have a steel tool made, for lack of a better word, cross braces and trusses. It's going to get jacked up with 4 20-ton jacks. It's going to get heaved out of the ground. There's a working pit right there, so we can work our way sideways. And then this is going to get lifted up from all 4 corners. There's a 20-ton bottle jack right there. And there's coffee, the most crucial tool of all. And there's our cinder blocks and water to stay hydrated. So we're going to go over here and take another little look-see and how we accomplish this. And then we're going to go ahead and take a look at these slivers that I cut out of here. Now, the joint was cut out a little wider than was necessary. At first I cut it out so it was exactly flat, but even with a really good cut, a cut that could withdraw these in very large pieces, as we see here, was actually done with my favorite power saw I had to sacrifice, because now it's got all the concrete dust in it. And this is a NS grout by, I guess, Used Chemical Corporation, which is it's always good stuff. It strikes good, clean, pliable, no slump, 8,500 psi. A bunch of bolts. This was made by a welder. A guy named Chris is really great. That's what is it? Baltimore Structural Steel or whatever. Just located in Baltimore, Maryland. And here we got one of our fancy pants Stabilo German levels, digital. We're just going to go ahead and throw that on here and see what it looks like. Oh! Overnight crept up a whole 1/10 of a degree. I guess steel really does change from temperature to temperature. But over on this side we have exactly dead level, so that's in the steel, not in the work. And let's get a side view so we can kind of get an idea of what we're looking for here. If we go down here a little bit, camera eyes finds it difficult to pick up, but we have a chaseway here, so if there's any vertical stress it won't catch this little chunk between the saw cuts and snap it, in which case I would probably lose the chimney. Same thing over here, very nice, neat. Precision in work like this is very key. When you jack stuff up, the forces can be really quite tremendous. You know what I mean? Like if one side would be lifted more than another, the strategy is that I lift from 4 points and put 2 German levels on each side, and to make sure that it maintains as close to perfect level as possible. It only gets lifted maybe, I don't know, 32nd of an inch, if that, just enough to take the weight off the footing. Then a new footing will go underneath it, there, reinforced with double mat number 4 bar, and there we go. And I'm Robert Carter, and this is my work, and I really like building stuff. I'm after home improvements. Have a nice day.